I'll get nervous both together. Okay, so he's extremely supremely talented, and just because of his vision in whatever resources we had, we were able to deliver this kind of product just because of his vision and his experience towards filmmaking. There might be limitations, there might be obstacles, but our dreams weren't small. We have very big dreams. We want to look like the biggest Indian film out there. For that, we have put in a lot of effort. For that, we need a pillar of support, that is our Vishwa sir. He has believed in us from day one. He stood by us in all obstacles or all this 2 years journey. He's a very busy man. He's been making many films, but still he was just a phone call away whenever we needed him, just not by investing money. He was always there as an emotional support, as an emotional anchor, and also in all possible ways he was there for us. And then today, to bring this film to you all, Karan sir standing beside us, it means a lot to us. So thanks, Karan sir. You're very kind. We're very thankful to you. As you rightly said, Rajmouli sir has carved this way for us into the national audience. Prabhas sir, Rajmouli sir, Tarakana, Chernana, all of them have put in a lot of effort. They have sacrificed prime time of their careers. They have sacrificed their health to carve a way into the national audience, and we are just riding after them on the road that they have carved. And you have been an integral part in that, bringing South cinema to the national audience. And I'm pretty sure in the coming days, after Rajmouli sir's next film, after Kantara 2, after Kalki 2, I think we are going to release our films internationally, along with international films with international standards. And today, it's a lot of responsibility for us when Karan sir's name is attached. He has believed in us. We have a lot of responsibility. I hope we deliver it right. I hope you all welcome us with open arms and bless us, so that we get you more and more films and try to make more ambitious films. Yeah, as I said, did I miss it? Okay, I don't want to make everybody stand for a long time, but September 12th, Mira is coming in theaters. It's going to be an action adventure. There'll be a lot of fantasy, action, adventure, great music. We will give you great high, and also great morals from our itihasas will be there in this film. We will be delivering something big. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Before we go.
Sir, I think it's our responsibility. We are born in this land. It's rich of our culture, and there's a lot of history. There are a lot of morals. There are great people who have lived on this land with great morals. I think it's our responsibility to tell that to the next generation audience. But we are making a commercial film. We are making something really cool, and yet we are trying to tell this in those films. Yeah.
The way जो treatment है इस film का, I think that says it all. इस team के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. And now I'd like to invite on stage someone who's